Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the importance of education. Number 1. Education opens doors to opportunities. Number 2. Knowledge gained from education empowers us. Number 3. It builds critical thinking skills. Number 4. Education promotes personal growth. Number 5. It prepares us for the future. Number 6. Learning improves problem-solving abilities. Number 7. Education enhances communication skills. Number 8. Knowledge is a key to success. Number 9. Education teaches us empathy and understanding. Number 10. It nurtures curiosity and exploration. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.